welcome to Medical Dialogues Research Summit and Black Buck Awards, sir. It's a pleasure to be having you here. We have with us today Dr. Suresh Babu Kondaviti. He is a professor in the Department of Biochemistry at Symbiosis Medical College for Women and Symbiosis University Hospital and Research Center, Pune. With over 15 years of experience, he has significantly contributed to diagnostic biochemistry, cancer biology, and immune chemistry. Dr. Kondaviti has published over 63 papers in indexed international peer-reviewed journals, boasting a citation index of 600 and H index of 12 and an I-10 index of 11. So congratulations on being a part of the recipient of one of the awards. And how do you feel being a part of the recipient?
Yeah, actually, it is a big honor to me and to be in this platform, and it is like a motivation to me to further carry over my research to the clinical field.
Very true, very well said, sir. So, any message that you would want to give out to the young budding professionals?
Professionals, see, first of all, before giving any message to the professionals, I would like to say big congratulations to the Medical Dialogues to bring all the research fraternity under one umbrella. So, by honoring truly working research professionals in medical field, it is a boost to the youngsters, undergraduates, postgraduates who also take up the research as a career, and they can serve the country in aspects of medical research.
Very true. That's a message sent out well. So you've been awarded the research award that has been given to you. Anything that you would want to highlight on your research? Anything that highlights or something which is striking from your research?
So as part of my thesis, I was working on diabetes. So because we are all aware that we are in the number 2 position in diabetes, as day by day, because of working lifestyles and hazardous food habits, we are all like prone to diabetes. As per the recent survey, every third person in upcoming years is going to be a known diabetic person. So my research is mainly concentrated on the diagnostic core values of the diabetes, HB values, and glycation of other molecules. So when you come across with the normal values with the abnormal values, it is better to control the disease. So in this aspect, my work in the research medical field.
Great. So it all comes down to early diagnosis.
Yes.
So if it is an early diagnostic process identified at the early stage, then prompt treatment can be given very early.
Will be better. Prognosis and then the prevention can be better.
Very true, very true. So heartiest congratulations on being a recipient, and thank you for being a part of this research summit and Black Buck Awards.
Thank you, Medical Dialogues. It's a pleasure to be here, and I've enjoyed the program thoroughly. Thank you.